It's getting ready to be Easter in a few days. You might be having an Easter egg hunt, or you're decorating eggs, or you're going to be cooking with eggs. Don't do a lot of baking. Ever stop to wonder, are my eggs still fresh? Have they expired? Are they still edible? Let me show you how to test those eggs for freshness and whether they're still edible or not. I got some eggs. They expired on 3/14. Or did they? Do you know there's a test for eggs for freshness? You just need water. Got it from the tap. Drop the egg in there. It's sunk to the bottom, but it's standing straight up. You can still eat it. That means it's a few weeks old. Now, if it had sunk to the bottom and laid flat on its side, that means it's fresh. This again is a few weeks old. I'm gonna do them like that to separate them. Now, if it floats to the top, put them out. Throw them in the trash. They're old. Shouldn't be eaten. Again, sink to the bottom, either straight up at the bottom or on the side. At the bottom is good. If it's at the bottom and on its side, it's very fresh. If it's straight up and down on the bottom, a few weeks old, still edible. If it floats to the top, put them in the trash. Now let's do a comparison. These are the ones that expired supposedly 3/14. Tested them all. Just not as fresh. But you can still eat them. These are the ones that don't expire till 4/20. So, and it lays on the side, so it's fresh. But again, it's not floating. These are straight up and down. So this one that's laying on the side is fresher than the one that's straight up and down. You can still eat them both. If either of them floated, don't eat them. So fresh, fresher. You don't want anything that's floating. Got it? Good.